Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you guys how you can use Tokensniffer.com to find the trending tokens, newest token, and also get the latest update on scam and hacks that happen on the available major blockchain protocol. You can see here this website support Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Phantom, Avalanche, and many more. This website also has been scanned more than 1.1 tokens and also listed more than 75,000 coins that can be categorized as scam and hacks. In this tutorial, I will pick SHIB token as an example for this tutorial. First, you can go to the search box here and search any token by typing the names, or you can copy the address of the token and put it here. I will search SHIB token and it will show there's a lot of SHIB token, and we can look at the first top two. First one, there is FTM, means that is the Phantom blockchain, and this is the address of the smart contract, means that the SHIB token has been deployed to the Phantom blockchain. And the second one, BSC, means that is Binance Smart Chain, and this is the address of the smart contract, and the token also has been deployed on the Binance Smart Chain. So you can click BSC and will be bring to this page. This is the address of the smart contract, and you can go to the BSC scan directly from here. And if you're interested to find or the chart, you can use the available website here. I'm personally use PooCoin in all of my crypto analysis. This token has been deployed on 29 April 2021, which is 262 days ago. We can see here by looking at the transaction of the smart contract. You can click and go to timestamp here. You can see 262 days and 11 hours ago. And if you're interested to find and look what is the activities of the creator address, you can click here. Scroll down and you can see the activities of the creator address. In this section, you can see view contract source. If you are a developer and you want to read code of the contract, you can click it here. I'm not a developer, and please you do your own diligence to read the contract. This is the most important part of the website, the smell test. This is the automated audit by the website, and it gives score of 60 over 100. Means that it measures the token contract and characteristic to meet the criteria for the safety of the token. Even if you found the coin that have high score, it may still have hidden malicious code. So you need to do more research on the coin that you're interested. There's a few analysis that has been done here. The swap analysis. Token is sellable, which is not honeypot at this time. Means that this token at this current time is not a honeypot. As you can see, honeypot is a situation where you can buy the token but you cannot sell it. So we need to prevent that. And also the buy fee is less than 10%, which is cheap, 6%, and the sell fee is less than 10%, which is the 5.1%. We go to the contract analysis. The contract is verified on the Binance Smart Chain, and there is similar token contract with other token. The clone contract may indicate that a low quality token unless there exists an offering other than token itself. Means that in simple word is ecosystem. So if the team only provide the token and did not provide any ecosystem, for example, provide the API of the coin for other developers to use in their apps or to be partnering with other company, so it can drive up the value. So we can see the similar token contract here. Okay, this Cupidon app copied the ship token here, because if you see here, it's been deployed on 29 April 2021, which is 262 days ago. And here the coin just deployed 12 days ago. You can click here to learn more. And you can see the code here. It's the same. And then same. So if you are a developer, you can check the code line by line to further your research. So we go to the next analysis. Ownership renounce or source does not contain an owner contract, means that the owner cannot change or modify the behavior of the smart contract. This is to ensure that the owner does not disable selling and also does not add hidden function and also increase the gas, and also the creator not authorized for special permission which enables that. And we go to the next analysis. You can click here. You can click the holders on the BSC scan, or you can view through the bubble maps generated from this website. So this analysis shown that tokens burn 44.63%, and the creator wallet contain less than 5% of the token supply, 3.2%. Also, the other holders possess less than 5% of the token supply, which is good. So if one of the holders want to sell, it does not totally affect the market. You can check here, and the orange is the creator and the others holders are the blue one. So if the creator sell the coin, it does not affect to the whole market. And you can see here. We go to the next analysis, liquidity analysis. This contain adequate liquidity present. So you can check the liquidity pool by clicking here and go to the Pancake LPs. Scroll down to the holders and you can see the smart contract with the icon here. You can hover over it, contract, and you can see the percentage is 98.74%. This is really huge, and the percentage, in my opinion, are the safest is between 90 to 100. At least 95% of the liquidity burn or locked. So this test only check well-known lockers such as Unicrypt and will not accurately represent locked liquidity from custom locking or vesting contract. And this creator wallet contain less than 5% of liquidity. You can check it here. View bubble map. So this is the creator wallet. So it contains 4.8%. Okay. Go back to the home page. Okay, right now we are back at the home page. We can scroll down and go to the top scoring tokens. You can see all, and there's only one token. You can click here. This token has been approved by this website based on a few criteria. You can see here review of the score, contract, social media, holder activity, and also the trading activity. And this is not a paid promotion. The team behind this coin did not pay this website to be put on the top scoring token. Okay, you can go back. And then the second column is the trending tokens. You can click here, or you can see all. You can see here, this is trending token recently seen in hot or top posts on Reddit. And you can see here, the token is added 27 minutes ago. So this is crazy, guys. There's a lot of token here. And then you can pick anything here. For example, Yoko Inu. I click. And then you can see the score 55 over 100. And go back. And then you can find another one at ball, for example. And the score is 30 over 100. There's a lot of points here. This is trending token section. Go back. And then you can click the newest token. You can see here at the top this is the protocol that the coin running. So for example, I click Ethereum and then I like this coin. So I click here and then I can see the score here. You can filter all the coins using the protocol that they are running. There's a lot of coins here, even added 4 minutes ago. This is crazy, guys. So there's many coins here. I don't know which one to pick. God Dodge Father, Tokensniffer, lots of coin. It does take time to go through one by one which token that hold potential or not to do a further research. You can go back here, scroll down, and the last column is the latest scam and hacks. You can see all here. And then this is the latest 100 token out of 75,000 flagged due to known or potential scam or hacks. So many scams here have names similar to legitimate token. Please verify the contract address. So if you think this token, for example, Hero is not a scam token, just copy the address here and do further research. So there's a lot of coins here. Evera, Rich Moon, Rich Tiger, Byte NFT, Super Strong, Blackzilla, I don't know. Lots of scam. Let's go back. For today's tutorial, I hope this tutorial helped you to fully use this website to further research. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more tutorial video.